Okay, as a shipper, really three things are very important to you: time, money, and service. And this is exactly why Fund Logistics is giving you access to the Optimus Go TMS to be able to get provided with the best of all three. Through our portal, you can code and fully dispatch and book your own LTL, right? So you decide which date you want to put it out. All your address books are saved here. You can decide which address you want to pick it up from or which address you want to deliver it to. This one, let's say, go ahead and put like a random zip code that you want to ship to, right? From there, maybe you need a liftgate delivery. If you have like hazardous material or you're shipping out food or anything, you pick it right there. And then from there, you come down. Maybe you put like, you have 3 pallets that are about 2,900 pounds. And let's say they're all about the same dimension. They're 45 by 45 by 63, right? And let's say you already know what class that you want to ship out. This is a straight class, let's say, of iron. And then maybe you have another pallet that's different dimension. So you're going to build it as a different pallet, but also it is a different commodity as well. So you put in this one is glasses, and then you're not sure what class you should ship it at. So you just press suggest class, and based off the density, this is going to show your class. It is not a hazardous load, so you're going to go ahead and get a code. We are set up with more than 20 LTL carriers. For this like item, basically this shows you what exact carriers are going to give you rates for those items. It always goes with the lowest rate to the highest rate. It basically shows you the estimated transit date, estimated delivery time. You can check everything, make sure everything looks good. If your commodity, it's worth more than carrier liability, you can put in what's the value of the freight, and then you can run a code, and through our third-party insurance, this will let you know how much additional insurance you need and then how much more it's going to cost. Let's say you want to go with the lowest carrier right here, which is ABF. You press it, you check all the information. If you want to save the load to book it later, you can do so. But if you want to go ahead and dispatch it now, you can go ahead and press that right there. From here, you come here, you just put in like some information just for the sake of being able to book this out. And if all the information look all right, you come here. If you have your NMFC number, you put it here, sub NMFC, pieces, customer order or PO number, anything you want to add, you go ahead and add it there. Any special instruction you want to put on a BOL, you can add it there. And then from there, if you want to tender the load immediately to the carrier, you press yes there, and then you go ahead and save the shipment right there. From there, it's going to tell you that the shipment was successfully tendered to the carrier. The shipment is tendered, carrier has it. From there, you can go ahead and download your BOL. You can download your pallet labels and then have access to those documents. Under our tracking tab, you can not only see all the tracking yourself, but you can also put in your customer email address, consignment email address, and our portal would send them automated tracking updates. So they have visibility over where that freight is and when it's going to get to them, right? Under the claim section, if God forbid there's a claim, you can fill out the claim and push it through with the carrier, right? Now, one thing that we're going to provide to you that not a lot of TMSs do provide to you with our customers facing TMS, you can also build your own modes of transportation and then send it out to your reps, to your carriers, to your brokers for coding and booking and letting them work on it, right? Under the mode of transportation, you can put in exactly what it is. Is it domestic air? Is it drayage? Is it white glove? Is it tanker? What it is. And then you can put in the equipment you want for it. And then you're going to put down here, you put in all the information. If you want enhanced tracking for that full truckload, you can go ahead and put it in here. And what this will do, it will send an update in the email to your sales rep and operation agents and allow them to code it for you, book it for you, and work on it for you if you wish. The reason why that's really important is because if you do all your modes of transportation under one umbrella, You can run key performance indicator reports on cost per lanes, cost per mile, cost per pound, cost per customer, cost per state, quarterly, yearly, how frequent you want to run it here to know exactly what's going on in your supply chain operation and make better data-driven decisions that way. So with that being said, we want to bring all your modes of transportation under one umbrella to be able to save you time, save you money, and give you a better service, and allow you to have much better data to make higher data-driven decision within your supply chain operation and your freight. There are a ton of different other capabilities that you can do here, like building your own team that different departments maybe want to have access to your logistics, like sales department, customer service department, purchasing department, accounting department. And those are things that we can go more in depth. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your farm logistics rep, and they will be more than capable to walk you through it and show you the ins and outs and more features of the portal. Thank you so much for taking the time watching the video today. We hope to be able to help you with all your freight operations. Thank you.